Welcome to the next installment in our series, How to Choose Your Style. So, does your Pinterest board have a variety of like 7 completely different living rooms? Or do you love all the styles, none of the styles, don't even know what you like? If you are balking in setting up your room because you don't know how to choose a style for it, then you need to watch this video to solve that problem. But first, you need to subscribe to solve all of your home design problems, and you need to like this video so that I smile. And you need to share it with another mom out there if you think that she will benefit, because this is super helpful stuff. So let's go. Let's do it. So first of all, the first step, I'm going to try to slow down. The first step that you will do in picking a style for your bedroom or your living room or your dining room or your kitchen is you're going to write down the function. You're going to write down what people are going to be using it for. This could be 1, 2, 3, 4, 100 things, but you're going to write down what people are going to be using this room for. Now you're going to write down who are the people who are going to be using this room, like kids, adults, handicapped, elderly, all that kind of stuff. You're going to write down what you want those people to feel while using this function. You're going to write, let's say, in my living room, I want people to feel welcome. In my living room, in my kid's bedroom, I want them to feel calm and sleepy. And I actually want you to write this down in the comments, because the next step is a little bit harder and I want to be able to help you. So write down in the comments and I'll help you out with the next step. The next step is write down what makes people feel that way. So what makes people feel, or let's just take the cozy in the living room example. What makes people feel cozy in their living room? A big comfortable couch, lots of textures, big shaggy rug, calming and soothing art, all that kind of stuff. So write down all of the things that create a mood, that make people feel a certain way. Now enter those options into Pinterest. So you're going to enter like big shag rug into Pinterest, or big shag rug and big cozy couch, a calm welcoming living room, stuff like that. And you're going to see that certain styles will be repeating themselves over and over in your results. And then you are going to choose your favorite out of the styles that came up. Now, this might not be as easy as it seems, but if you go through the steps one by one, you write down the function, think about it, really spend time on writing down the function, write down the people who are using this function, write down what you want the people using this function to feel, and write down what makes them feel those things. Enter those options into Pinterest and see what style comes up. Now, if you're still unsure and you don't know what to do, then you can take my style quiz, which I'm going to link below. From what the responses that I've gotten on this quiz, they seem to have about a 98% accuracy. So, you can trust it. So go down into the link in the comments and in the description and just take the style quiz over there. That's it. There you go. It's very simple. That's how you choose your style. Subscribe.